How do these bags work? Each bag comes equipped with a built-in keyless security closure system. To use this bag, simply insert your items, zipper the bag closed, making sure the zipper is completely underneath the plunger head, and push down to click. You can test if this is securely in place by trying to unzip the bag. If you can't unzip it, it is down securely. Next, using your individually numbered seals, insert seal with the anchor end into the open area and slide till it clicks into place. This bag is now secure from tampering. In order to gain access to this bag, you would need to break the seal or destroy the bag completely. Either way, you will know if someone has gotten into your stash. To remove contents, make sure that the number on the seal matches the number that you recorded when you initially locked your bag. If it matches, you will know that no one gained access. Simply insert your finger into the slit beneath it and lift up to break seal. Then slide the tiny black insert up and lock will pop open. Then simply unzip the bag and remove your contents. Each seal can only be used one time and are individually numbered, so you will know if anyone has breached security of your bag.